We're back here with Brian from Weber Automotive. And Brian, somebody hears that their car needs some work or something like that. The first thing they want to know is, how do I know my mechanic is being straight with me? So
Absolutely.
How do I know if my mechanic's being honest? It's kind of like playing poker a bit, Somebody's throwing out a bet and you're like, are you for real or not? So What do you look for? What should you do? How should you feel comfortable in that?
So hopefully you have some sort of a relationship and understand and there's been some trust built up over time. If not, it's the basics, right? You look at body language, you look at eyes, you look at stuff like that. The other thing you can do is right nowadays with digital inspections, which we're doing, we photograph everything that's bad. We take pictures of your actual car of the failed components.
So you're actually showing precisely what's right or wrong.
We don't want people to wonder, is it really bad? We're going to take pictures of everything that's bad
nice.
So you can see it, document it. You can email them, makes it real easy. The other thing is, if you're really questioning, it's a really expensive repair. It's not a bad idea to get a second opinion, or ask questions about what happened, what exactly is wrong, what caused it, and do some research yourself. These are all things you can do to kind of help that out.
But somebody who knows their stuff should be able to diagnose something and tell you what's wrong and probably what made it happen, and little detective work.
Yeah, and then reviews of that particular shop or mechanic, right? Yeah. See what kind of reviews they have, and really there isn't any particular place you can go, type of facility you can go that's better than another. They tested years ago, I think it was 60 Minutes, they did car dealers, they did independent repair shops, and
it was all over the map in terms of
all over the place.
But I tell you, pictures are worth 1,000 words, and that can be worth a whole lot to actually see what's wrong. And here's one place that'll show you what's wrong with your car as well as explain it. So,
every time.
So you're going to want pictures, and you can get some really nice pictures of Weber Automotive. So check out their website, weberautomotive.com. You can see all the types of repairs they make. And you can watch more videos, fun videos just like this, where you learn all about your car from this guy right here.
All right.
Thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.